In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images on Wix. Whether you're updating your site with fresh visuals or adjusting existing images to better fit your design, resizing images properly can significantly enhance the look and feel of your website. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the simple process on the Wix platform to make sure your images fit seamlessly into your design. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, select the page containing the image you want to resize. It's essential to have a clear idea of how you want your image to look on your page, so take a moment to visualize the changes you're aiming for. Next, click on the image you wish to modify. This action will activate the image, surrounding it with small circles at the corners and along the edges. These circles are your key tools here. They allow you to manually adjust the size of your image. Gently click and drag these circles to resize your image. This technique lets you intuitively increase or decrease the dimensions according to your creative needs, ensuring the image perfectly complements your site's layout. Now, if you want more precise control over your image, click on Edit Image, located in the pop-up menu that appears with your image. This will take you to the image editing section, where you can access additional features to enhance your images further. Once there, select the Crop and Extend option. This feature allows you not only to adjust the size, but also to make creative edits like cropping unwanted parts of your image or extending the canvas to highlight key areas. Spend some time here to explore these tools and make any necessary changes that align with your vision. Following this, click on the line edge to adjust the borders of your image to your desired width and height, ensuring it fits within the context of your website's design. This step is crucial for maintaining the aesthetic balance of your page, while ensuring that all images are proportionally and visually consistent. Finally, once you're satisfied with the adjustments, click on Save. This will ensure that all your modifications are applied and locked in place on your web page. Always remember to preview your site after making changes to see how the resized image looks in context with the rest of your content. And there you have it. You've successfully resized an image on Wix. Following these steps, you can easily manipulate your site's visuals, helping you create a more dynamic and visually engaging online experience. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.